Hey guys, good morning from you-know-where, Southern Nevada. Hey, about 6 months ago, I picked up this Ruger Mini-30, chambered in 7.62 by 39. It was a used rifle, excellent condition. I bought it, brought it out here to do a review, and just right off the bat, I was having problems with it. And the problem was, I had a problem feeding from the magazine, especially Ruger 5-round magazine. So let me show you a couple of scenes showing you the problem I had with this rifle. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I wasn't too happy with the rifle at that time, and I told my viewers I would try and fix it and do a follow-up video. And that's exactly what I did. A few weeks later, did a follow-up video where I took out the mainspring in this, put in a brand new one, come back out here, and the rifle shot fine. That video got 100,000 views in 3 or 4 weeks, and then all of a sudden, YouTube demonetized the video and restricted it. Why? I don't know. And we're going to go over that real quick, and then we're going to put some rounds through this. So, and you know, I've done disassembly videos in the past and never had a problem, so I don't know what the problem was this time. But YouTube, I know you're watching this, so let me talk about your advertiser-friendly guidelines. It says right here, this content can earn ad revenue. Firearm and paintball gun assembly and disassembly for the purposes of repair or maintenance. Okay, so again, I don't know why that video was restricted. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to go back into my shop. We're going to disassemble this, replace the recoil spring, put it back together, and then we'll come back out here and put a few rounds through this and have a little fun. All right, time to replace the recoil spring. So we got to take out the old one. So we're going to make sure it's unloaded. Make sure the safety is on. Take a screwdriver, and you got a little hole right here. Just do that just like that. Pull out the trigger guard assembly and take off the stock. Just that simple. And here's a spring right here. I'm just going to pull it out, and there we go. All right, let's open this up. All right, let's compare it with the original. Wow, look at that. That is going to make a big difference, and that is about 1.25 inches longer than the original. So when we put this back together, we want to make sure it goes in just like this, and it's going to go right underneath this pin right here. See if we can do this in one shot. That spring is probably going to be pretty heavy. Let's see if we can get this without putting an eye out. No, seriously, you want to wear safety glasses when you do this. Almost there. Whew, that is going to be tight. Look at that. Ah, I can't see down there. We get her. Yep, we got her. Ooh, that is tight. I think that's going to make a big difference. Got it all lubed up. So now all we have to do, take my stock, put this back together, put the trigger guard assembly back in, and smack it. There you go, just like that. Oh yeah, big difference. I think this is going to work really good now. All right. Okay, nice and easy, huh? So I have some Winchester 123 grain full metal jacket and a Ruger 5-round magazine. Let's load this up and see what happens. 5-round magazine. Yeah. Might as well try it again, huh? Actually, let's do it this way. Look at that, nice and smooth. Perfect. I've got some new ammo here. I've never shot this before. This is made by New Republic. It's a 124 grain full metal jacket made in the European Union. Not quite sure what that is, but uses a brass case. There's no steel in this. So let's fire 10 rounds and see what happens. Nice and smooth. Yeah. I really do like this.
All right, let's see if I can hit that plate with Winchester ammo. Yep.
Well, I don't know. Can you maybe hit? No.
I could try. I might hit the leg.
I'll go ahead and take another shot.
Dead on.
Dead on. All right.
All right. Hey, Pops, I got this pumpkin full of water. I'm going to shoot it.
All right.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Okay, guys, there you go. I got this running nice and smooth. Just absolutely love shooting it. You know, I had a Mini-30 years ago, and I sold it to a buddy about 8 years ago. Just one of those guns I always regretted selling. So I'm glad this one popped up when it did. You know, I put 12 bucks into it. Running great. Really do like the Mini-30. Oh, and I do have earplugs in. I'm going to fire one last round, and we'll see you guys next time. Yeah. All right. Hey, I've got some ammo here. I've never shot this before. This is New Republic. It's made in the European on my boots, boy.